So we're going to just start making a first YouTube video. So first is I'm going to just click new video. Here it's going to be a whiteboard animation. So I need a title for this video. So we're going to just refer this worksheet again and again. So we're going to just copy it like the heading 3 golden quotes that completely change the way I look at life. I'm going to just press Ctrl C here just to copy it and Ctrl V. That's all. The resolution for this video should be 1080 pixels. So nothing, I'm going to just create. So it tells me yes, we are here. So first alone the scene has come. So what we do here is I'm going to go for the scene settings, and this is the standard layout. I don't need this standard thing, so I'm going to just press off here. You can just select your own hand. I like this kind of cartoon hand, and before applying, you see this area here, subtitle, right? We don't play around with this. So this is the first intro what we do. I'm going to just copy this thing, press Ctrl C, press Alt and go back to this program and press Ctrl V. The reason I put it like kind of things, the reasons is whenever you want to just start with the video, you're going to just read from what all it is there. Okay, so I need to include this this one also, right? Heading 3 golden west. This is kind of very important. So once again I'm going to just click here and press yes. So the reason for the subtitle, you will see the subtitle is going to be displayed into your screen when you do your voiceover. So you can just read these things from the screen. So that is the reason we are just using the subtitle. I press apply. Okay. So for this thing, for your voiceover, you need to have a microphone in your computer. It can be your 3.5mm jack headphone, which you plug it, use it for your mobile phone, plug it into the jack. It's going to work fine. Or else for me, I am using a Blue Snowball microphone here. It is a small podcasting microphone. It has kind of a little bit good audio quality. So let's start here. Go to press plus button here. So the moment I click this red button, it is going to start recording. So let's start it now. 3 golden quotes that completely change the way I look at life. Quotes are sayings from great persons that give a meaning to life. Listening to some quotes motivate us to move forward even when we are sad and depressed. In this video, you will see my 3 best quotes that push me ahead when I want to move forward in my life. So we kind of recorded something. It comes to almost like 20 seconds. So you have some kind of space here, right? What I do is I'm going to just drag this. So little space is okay. So I'm going to just put it in the beginning. So we need to do something for 20 seconds. Okay, so don't worry about the clips and all the things. We'll be previewing it here. So how do we just start? First is we are going to just add a text. Text, what text? Yes. 3 golden quotes that completely change. I'm going to press Ctrl C once again. Go here and I'm going to press the. So remember to use word wrap option here. Okay, so and I'm going to adjust into the align center. Okay, you can just drag like these to make sure you just put it somewhere up or down or anywhere you want. Okay, so you can do many things like this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to drag this scene till 20 seconds till the scene. So once again, so you have an idea like meaning to life. There are some keywords like motivate us or push me ahead, something like that. So from this, we need to insert 3 images. Maybe you can use images from characters from Doodly, but right now I am not going to do anything from Doodly here. What I did is I just got a few images which are relevant to the beginning of this video. So 1, kind of 2 and 3. So all these kind of things, but don't worry, I will be giving this resources as free to you for using in your YouTube videos. But still, one small thing I want to tell you is that when you just insert an image, make sure you have a pretty white background here so that it just syncs with this. Okay, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just add a person thinking. So I need another 2 also. So this is a person like kind of depressed person. Yes, it has to be like this, and another person also. So 3 things I did. So I'm going to just, what happens, I'm going to just shorten it here and I'm going to move it here. Okay, these are just nothing but 3 images which I got from another website. So I downloaded it, I inserted into the Doodly. If you want to really insert an image, don't worry, go press the plus sign here, drop your props, go browse files. In case if you have everything, so you can just press and add it up. But one thing here, when you press and add an image, so it tells you maximum allowed size of the image is 1290. So in case if you're going to get errors like this, what am I going to do? So don't worry, go back here. This is the image. Just press double click here. I am not using any other special software. It is just from Windows. So I go here. I'm going to press resize. Best for profile picture and thumbnails. The moment I click here, it's going to just shorten it up, and you can save this into your Doodly. So coming to the image wise, so you can just modify the characteristics of each image. So go here, go and press the edit button here. So what happens is it is going to just scribble the image. I did not like this. So what I can do is reveal mode, I do it as fade. So you can just see it comes and fades. Okay, this is the first image. So I press save and return. So I also want the second image to happen like this. So once again I go here, I don't want to draw, I press it as fade, but it's your option friends, don't worry. If you really want this thing to draw, you can just draw it. And once again fade, save and return. Okay, so now what we do is, this has exceeded the timeline, right? You need everything to fit into your voiceover, so be careful about this. Whatever we record, it's going to be like kind of one scenes, each individual scene. So this, what we created is for this much portion. So this is all, you don't need to get confused. For every single area, you're going to just create different scenes. It's going to be pretty simple. So how do we just see this? Let us just see, you have an option here, press right click and you can press a preview here. Let us preview it, right? What is going to happen, right? So before this, once again I'm checking, I like this hand here. So everything is okay. Now remember one thing, after you have finished it, just switch off the subtitle, because when you press switch on, okay, I'll just show you here. Okay, let us preview and see what happens. 3 golden quotes that completely change the way I look at life. Quotes are sayings from great persons that give a meaning to life. Listening to some. So just one thing is, go here and switch off the subtitle mode. So when you switch off the subtitle mode, it's really going to be pretty good. So we can do it once again. I'm going to just press preview over here. 3 golden quotes that completely change the way I look at life. Quotes are sayings from great persons that give a meaning to life. Listening to some quotes motivate us to move forward even when we are sad and depressed. Okay, so now the big thing what you see is, it is writing kind of very slow, right? So what you do is, go here, go shorten the duration of this code. Maybe it can, okay, 5 seconds. Now pull this. Okay, let it be 8.9 seconds. I think now it can. I'll just try it once again and kind of. Okay, now let us preview once again. 3 golden quotes that completely change the way I look at life. Quotes are sayings from great persons that give a meaning to life. Listening to some quotes motivate us to move forward even when we are sad and depressed. In this video, you will see my 3 best quotes that push me ahead when I want to move forward in my life. So I think it really looks good, right? So we'll just try once again with draw. Okay, I'll just save and give. Same thing. Make sure that you just work uniformly pretty. That will be most important. In case if you want to fade, let it fade. If you want to draw, then let it draw. Okay. Now I'm going to just press save here. Now let's preview it once again. 3 golden quotes that completely change the way I look at life. Quotes are sayings from great persons that give a meaning to life. listening to some quotes motivate us to move forward even when we are sad and depressed. In this video, you will see my 3 best quotes. Okay, it really went well, right? But don't worry that if in case if you don't hear the full thing, when you just export this video, you'll be hearing it properly. Make sure you have some kind of space here. That's kind of very important after this audio. So that's it. Don't worry about this. So I think it's fine, right? The intro thing really looks fine. So what you do is just save it over here. From the next video, we're going to just create something different like from here. So we are going to create quote 1 fully for the next video. So thanks for watching, guys. We'll just continue in the next tutorial, guys. Bye bye.